welcome back to my channel. How are you all? Hopefully everyone okay. Today also I bring another recipe, very healthy recipe, salmon with brown rice. So guys, it's very easy to cook and it's very super healthy. So you must be thinking how I'm going to cook with this dress up. So guys, definitely I'm going to change quickly and go in my kitchen. So guys, salmon with rice recipe, I'm using today virgin oil, 1 cup of brown rice, 1 lime, and I'm using 2 different types of onions, half red onion for coloring and 1.5 white onion, 5 to 6 garlic cloves, and this is very spicy 1 red chili I chopped. And today I'm using the fish spice mix. It's look like this one. So there is a 2 tablespoons, and I'm using 1 teaspoon of garam masala and 1 teaspoon of the salt and chopped mint. 2 slices of salmon. I washed already and drained the water. So guys, you can see it's a less amount of ingredients here. So it's very healthy, super healthy. If you are in the diet, very easy to cook and very healthy way to cook this one. So I'm going to show step by step how to cook. So first I'm going to boil the rice. So guys, you can see is rice is nearly done. Then I'm going to throw the water. So you can see rice is ready. So I cooked only 75%, not too much overcooked, because we're going to cook another 6 to 7 minutes in the oven. So next I'm going to mix all spices together, garam masala and fish spices and salt. Mix properly. If you like to add the chili flake, you can add, but I'm not going to add because I'm using the red chili. This is quite spicy. This is the bowl I have got, little bit deep. You can use any kind of the oven dish. So I'm using the olive oil, about 2 tablespoons. Then I'm going to put the all chopped onion, garlic and chili. Then I'm going to put about 2 teaspoons of the mixed spices. Then I'm taking half lime, squeezes. Then I'm going to mix properly. Mix properly. So guys, this is a very healthy cooking. You can see I'm using very less amount of the oil. When you mix all spices like that, then spread equally. Like this. Then I'm going to put the salmon like that. Then leftover spices sprinkle top of salmon. Then put little bit drop of the oil on the top. Not too much. Then I'm going to put in the oven till they cook the salmon. So guys, you can see the salmon is cooked. We don't need to cook too much. Then gently I'm going to remove. You can see it's all onion also cooked. Then I'm going to put the rice inside the dish like that. Then mix properly. Smell is beautiful, very absolutely incredible. Then I'm going to put chopped mint. Mix again. So guys, you can use the white rice as well, but I'm using brown rice. It's looking amazing. Then I'm going to put back the salmon like this. Then again I'm going to put in the oven 5 to 7 minutes. So guys, this is ready. So ready to eat. Then I'm going to garnish with lime like that. So guys, you must try this recipe. This is very easy, healthy, quick recipe. It's not necessary to cook with the salmon. You can cook with the chicken as well, same way, and you can use the white rice as well. So it's totally optional. So thanks for watching my video. Hopefully you liked my video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It would be much appreciated. I'm doing hard work. It is not very easy to make videos. You can see lots of preparation we have to do. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Once again, thank you very much. See you soon. Take care. Bye bye.